Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, customizing admin panel by default, which is offered Django framework. Most of the software's built-in functionality modules and built-in applications and which we cannot be touched, whereas Django framework will have a facility to customizing admin panel as well. Your wish to add the parameters and add the functionalities, add the forms wherever you require and take your own control all the admin panels. How it is? Watch the video.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to discussing you about customizing the admin panel using the Django framework project. And here in more details of about we have seen that name and the price and the image URL, likewise the parameters we have seen in the products. Whereas it's not displaying here. For the purpose we need to display some meaningful names and all, we have to add in a class name the product for an admin and where we can specify the names what to be displayed there. That's it, very much pretty easy. We will see now in the single simple steps. See here in this page of admin.py, I'm going to writing here like anyhow we have imported this from models and products we have imported here. Now you can implement the class called CLASS class is a product admin. Products admin. I'm saying the name of the class, and here I'm mentioning here admin dot model admin. And it here and list. Let's go display. There is a keyword by default. It is available in the class of model admin method. All right. Now the list underscore display. What are the list I want to display over here? I'm preparing for an tuple for name of the fruit, and name of the fruit is there, and one more thing is the price is there, and what is the another one? Stock. Image anyhow we need not to require at present. You will see an image on use position. Now save it and take double spaces. Compiler interpreter won't restrict you. Yeah. Now the PIP is again is showing something. Too many blank lines means 2 blank lines is sufficient. Yes, PIP is satisfied now. Now you go to refresh the browser. Refresh it. It will reloading. Now see here and hit the products. Yes, it should come over here. Simply it will come. Just a second. One more thing I have to add here to display proper way. Yeah. In the site registration I have seen here no. There I have to involve this particular class. Yeah. This line here. This particular class, if I class am calling with the registration along with the products, it will be called with this class is called with this registration method, and it will be populated. Save it and reload the page once again. Let it be wait. So now it's coming. If I hit the products, on expansion of the products, it should be displayed. Now see, Apple like a header, it's showing no name and price and the stock what is available in the particular place of a database table. And similarly, you can have a view at the browser. SQL browser is there no. You refresh it, or else you can once again you open it and open this one. The table, if you are open products table, if you select the product table and right click here and browse table, see the data is added in the database. See one thing in the second row, right? 2 things I have added. Many number of products you can try to add more products, and it will be look and feel is a very efficient way. It will comes at the point of the particular browser once we are seeing many products. All right. I hope customization is a very simple task, and we have understand about it. The next session we will see the templates in Django framework project.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, my contact details are available at description below. Thank you.